Hi everyone, Mrs. Hayward here on this lovely sunny Sunday. Sorry, I've just come back from the gym, so I'm still in my gym outfit. But I thought I would do a short video on Guys and Dolls and set and prop design for Section B. So, this is an in the round production, and the audience are immersed within the action at the Bridge Theatre. So, we are standing all around, so it's a theatre in the round immersive production. And the staging can go flat, so it's on level with the audience, or it can rise up to a level of about a metre, at some points, even a metre and a half. So the first moment I'm going to talk about is the hot box. Now, there's various big signs that fly in from the top of the audience when the hot box starts. So the hot box is Adelaide's club that she sings in. And it's very fancy, it's very flash, and it sort of suits her personality. This is my cat, Ted. Ted, say hi. Good job. So the hot box, there's lots of different neon signs that are about 2 metres by 1 metre in length. They are neon colours, and they come down, and there's various arrows pointing to where the actors that are playing the audience members can sit. But the main hot box sign, which is double-sided because of the immersive in the round style production, is about 3 metres by 1 metre in length, and it is on a flybar and it comes down. This has bright purple LED lights within it, and the words hot box are in silver. This really makes it stand out. It also matches Adelaide's outfit. It makes it look very glamorous and also very feminine too. So this immediately gives us an indication this is a classy establishment and really super fun. As well as that, the people that are the actors sitting on the audience are sitting on small round tables that are, if we are on an in the round style stage, which we are, and I'm sitting at the 6 o'clock position, they are at 7 o'clock and 1 o'clock, with the main action happening in the centre. And there's about 5 main tables on either side, and this is where the actors can sit. So there are wooden, fancy looking chairs of about 2 or 3 people that are sitting around these small wooden tables. The fact there's only 2 or 3 chairs around each of the tables indicates that this is a very much an adult only place. So there's not big tables where families can sit. There's little intimate tables where you might go with a loved one or a couple of people, adults together. On the table as well is an old-fashioned 1950s lamp. This is very ornate. It has a brass bottom, kind of rounded bottom. So again, that kind of has a little feminine shape to it as well. Kind of, it's got like an hourglass shape, and it's got a nice dim light within it. So sort of gives it an intimate feeling for each of the tables. On the tables as well is an old-fashioned ashtray, because of course smoking was very popular in the 1950s. People were allowed to smoke indoors, and the actors were using prop cigarettes throughout this, again indicating the mature atmosphere of the hot box. So that's the first moment that we're going to talk about. The second moment I'm going to talk about is when the whole place turns into Havana, Cuba, and we end up in Sky has taken Sarah down to Havana to try and win the bet. So in this moment, all around the outside of the audience are bright coloured bunting in the Cuban flag colours. So we've got some reds in there, some greens in there, some yellows in there. It really gives us a feeling of Latino America. It's very bright. Along with the bunting as well, there's lots of different brightly coloured lights as well. LED small bulbs that are in between the bunting of the same colours. Again, immersing us as the audience members as if we are in Havana along with Sky and Sarah as well, like we've been whisked away. In the centre as well is you've got some props where they've been given us some little confetti like shaker things, and these are given to us as audience members for us to get involved in the atmosphere too. There's also some big lamp posts as well to give an indication that we're outside, and that shows probably there's really nice weather. And as part of that, that then leads us on to Sarah, where she's drunk too much Bacardi and she's swinging on the lamp post. And this is really fun and playful. It means that it's kind of like almost, she uses it like a big totem pole and she's swinging around it. So very innocent, very childlike, and it's almost like she has let herself be free in this really beautiful, coloured, fun atmosphere, and it really takes away from the grim, dingy atmosphere of the missionary, which where she works, which is all very dull colours, wooden, grey colours. So it's an amazing contrast. And when she's amongst the bright craziness of Havana, that's when we see her true colours, and she can really be herself. I hope you found those 2 moments useful, and they're ones that you could write about in detail for your section B. Okay, good luck.